You allowed my mom to die of hunger. Why? You allowed that woman die under a leaking roof. I worked so hard. I sent you money. So, where is it?
Amanda, you are beginning to constitute a nuisance here. Let me warn you. Pick your bag and leave my premises.
Really? I am not going anywhere until you give me back my money.
I will not warn you again.
Cleopatra, give me back my money. I worked so hard. I've paid you every dime I owe you. Every money you spent to take me abroad, I sent it back to you. I even gave you 12,000 pounds extra.
I have neighbors and you are shouting.
Why are you this mean? Why? What did I do to you? I'd rather die than leave that money with you.
I'll have them do. Last time I'm asking you to leave my
I am not going to leave anywhere. Give me back my money.
All right then, guys. Go ahead. Shoot her.
What is going on here? And who is shooting who?
Hi, Uncle. Thank God you're here. Thank God you're here. Tell Cleopatra to give me back my money. All the money I sent to her. Even this car she's driving is my car. I bought this car. I told her to give it to my mom and employ a driver to drive her. She took all of it. Give me back my money.
Cleopatra, are you owing her some money really?
Are you insane? Who gave you the right to ask me that question? You want to get killed here for nothing?
Oh, do you think I'm afraid of your guns?
Oh, you aren't? Very well then. Shoot him too.
Look at you're not even ashamed of yourself. Look at what... Remove that thing from my face now. Remove that thing from my face.
You better leave this place before I call the police on you. They will arrest you for kidnapping.
What's going on? What's going on? Huh?
I'm robbers are shooting outside.
Robbers?
Yes, sir. My God. Oga, do you want to die? Hide yourself, Oga.
Did you lock the door?
Oga, I locked the door, but they are still shooting outside.
Oh my God. Oh my God. What's this? What's this?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.